Alright guys, this is just me doing a little test here, seeing to see if OBS stays connected. We'll try to see. Alright, so we're running a let me just move this out of the way here. Here we're automating Internet Explorer to gather data information. I know this is not, I just got this code online. I'm kind of tweaking it as I go. Just want to show you guys what I do to take code, random code, and kind of tweak it to my liking or to fit my needs. So basically, I'm going to be finding keywords here. I don't know. We'll say VBA sports. Cars and see what happens once I'm running this code. I'm running at, alright, so we'll stop it here and we'll delete this and we'll run here. Is it running? Am I running? I don't want this. So let's hit run. It's going to open, gonna type in puppy, and it will grab this information here, and then it will go and type in cat. Every time it will keep on pacing. Let's see what happens. So there you see Excel is working. Alright, so here we go, we're finished. Am I still, I need to lower my bitrate. And here are my results. So it opened up each, or search Google Docs, Google search for these terms here. And retrieve the results. How many searches does it find? Okay, so here is the coding. There's some objects, there's some variants, which are just, there's time. We might not need this. I typically don't use this. Just makes it a lot slower. Let's see if we get the same result without including that. And I don't want this either here. And then it quits every time Internet Explorer, set it as nothing. We could clean up this coding a little bit better, but seems like it's doing the job that it wants. And this is looking for India, but it will work the same for any kind of web browser or Google search, any location. talking to somebody solving kind of this issue now. All right, so let me actually pull the information. I want to tweak this information. Thank you for joining, whoever's out there. Please subscribe. I'll be doing a lot more live videos. I'm answering some of your questions, and also probably also doing some regular videos explaining some of the coding behind it. But at the meantime, we're just testing out, seeing. Okay, so I have 6 minutes, seeing how well OBS and YouTube behave. So let's go back to coding. So there, she's telling me that she needs to. She's trying to find the link here. If I can find it, here's the link. I want to copy that link. Control copy. I don't know why I always say control copy. And we want to paste that link here. So here's the link. And for now, we'll keep it here, but this is specific. Okay, so we'll go here, navigate to this, and then we will not need these here. Okay, so we don't want to exit out. We'll just stop things here. See what happens when we run this piece of coding. I do want to know what is happening on my. All right, so here we go. We're going to run the coding. Go back to my coding. I'm going to run it. Here we go. It's going to open up. And it's going to stop at this point. Okay, oops, sorry. Let me just pull this information out. Okay, sorry. Thank you for those of you who are watching. We're controlling Internet Explorer with Excel VBA by using its elements, and also testing YouTube Live. All right, so here we are. We open this Google UK page, and we're going to be looking for results stats. This is what it's looking for. We don't have a variable that we just commented out, which was here. But this one should be specific to, let's take a look here. Can I expand this? It should be finding Chinese. Let's take a look. Close this again. Let's rerun it. Let's take a look. Navigate visible is true. Running to here. Here we go. Chinese restaurants. There you see it. All right. So now we want to click on this more places. If we right click it and we say inspect element, we should get some properties of this button here. So we know that oops, let's take it back. So that's the title of it, more places. It's a div class. It's a source, so it might be a little bit trickier, but it could go by tag name, and or div. I believe it's div, more places. Is this a form? Where's my form for this? I need to just expand this a little bit here. Form. here and click on more and inspect. What happens if I click more places? We get this big link here. We'll see what it has. Video output low. So my video output and audio is failing a little bit, so I might stop the video. But we'll see. This is what I'm trying to fix. All right, so let's see if we. So we need to find an element by either tag names. We need to submit this. And it's more places. So if we go back to the coding, we notice that I just can't see the code that well. I have a do while. There's just so much spacing. There's a form here, 0 on submit. We're still live. All right, let's take a look. Once we do get here, which we got there to this point and with, on my tag name here, form. See what happens when we continue here.